Okay, today we're going to make BIGPATMANS New England Clam Chowder. First we're going to do is put about 4 slices of bacon cut in half into our Dutch oven or a large pot. You don't want to break these up in little pieces. You don't want all little burnt pieces all over the place. So what we're going to do is going to cook this bacon, and we're going to save the bacon grease from this. Okay, that's nice. What we want to do now is take this bacon out, and we can save it for later for a topping, or use it for something else, or put it back in the soup. So we're going to take the bacon out. And what we're going to do is put 2 cups of potatoes in. Get all that flavor into the potatoes. That was 2 cups of chopped potatoes. Gonna add a cup of carrots, chopped carrots. Stir it up, mix it in well. And then a couple of chopped onion. Stir that in good. Got about 2½ stalks of celery. I'll put that in. Stir it up. Chopped up 1 bell pepper. We're gonna add that in. Stir it up. Alright, we're going to let this cook down for about 10-15 minutes. Get this nice and soft, these vegetables. Let the flavors incorporate themselves into each other. And then we'll be adding our next ingredients. Stir it once in a while. 10-15 minutes. Okay, I got about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic chopped up. I'm going to throw that in. Mix it around. Stir it up, give it a minute or 2. Now we're going to add a 1/2 stick of butter. And we're going to mix that really well too. And what we're going to do is sprinkle in 1/3 of flour, 1/3 cup of flour. Sprinkle it around. And what we want to do is stir it up. Mix this well. Let that cook for about 2-3 minutes. 2 cups. Pour that in. Do not add your clams. If you add your clams early, they'll be like rubber bands eating. You don't want to eat rubber bands. Save them to like almost the end. Mix this up well. Bring this to a simmer. I'm also going to add a cup of corn. Mix that in well. I'm telling you, this is some really good clam chowder. It's not that hard to make. And what you can do is freeze it. Whatever's left over, bring it out whenever you want to enjoy it. Alright, we're going to bring that to a simmer. And then we'll be back with the rest of the ingredients. Okay, this is going to a simmer, so now I chopped up some fresh parsley. We're gonna add that in. Mix that around good. And simmer that for about 5 minutes. Don't boil it, let it simmer. Okay, I have a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. We're gonna add that in. And mix that around good. And now we're gonna add our clams. This is chopped and minced. We're gonna add that in. Don't add them in early because if you want rubber, that's what you'll get. These clams are already cooked. I know some recipes put them in the beginning, and frankly, I don't think they know what they're talking about. All right, mix those in good. Okay, next we're gonna add our cream. Add about 2 cups of cream. You do not want to boil this. So what we're going to do is bring this up to a simmer. Okay, you can see it's starting to bubble a little bit, so it's coming to a simmer, so you want to lower your heat like a medium low and let that simmer for about 5 minutes, then it'll be ready to serve. Okay, the soup is done. I put some bacon on the top and a little parsley. Now for the results. Look at it, nice, thick, creamy. Well, you can't beat that. Get a clam there. Plenty of them. All right. Keep on a little bit. Yes. Keep it moving, keep it flowing. This is oh my god good. If you have a lot, give some to a neighbor, or you can freeze it and have it for another day. But you can't beat it. Beats canned soup and whatever. There's nothing like making your own soup if you know how to do it. And now you know how to do it. Thanks for cooking with Big Pat Man. Keep it moving, keep it flowing.